Hello and welcome to Explain That, and this is a guide on how to change your language on Android's app fast and easy. So let's get started. So first up, open up your Threads app and make sure to be already login in there and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right and then tap on the two horizontal lines at the top right. In here you'll see language and here you can be able to check what language do you want or preferred to be used in using your Threads app. So just restart after you're done picking up or even restart the app by just reclosing it again and opening it. And you can change it back again in there as the same usual place on the settings and then language. You can always change this whatever you want. So that's about it to explain that, and that's how to change your language on Threads app fast and easy.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.